Well, what is your name? My name is Yesenia. How do you spell it? Yomaid. Where are you from? I am from Colombia. How old are you? I am 71 years old. What is your status marital? I am single. What is your occupation? I am a student. Where do you live? I live in Remedios. How are the number of your family? My family consists of my mom, my father, and my 18 brothers. What are their occupations? My father is obrero. My mom is housewife. My brother's son is a student. How is your best friend? My best friend is Diana. She is very fun. Thank you. Okay, have nice days.